Hi people! So it's 1:19 ng midnight. This is a late night vlog. Akala ko we're gonna call it a day. We decided, sulitin na lang. So, we're gonna go to 7-Eleven. So we're gonna eat na here. Wow, I like the lightning. Tingnan nyo guys yung mga pastries. Ay, wow. Kung sa atin may sulit meals, dito may ganito sila. Hindi ko alam. Parang itong 7-Eleven na to, mas maliit siya compare sa napuntahan natin kanina. Mas konti yung varieties niya. Ito, mga tinapaya.
Mas muna yung ano dito.
Doon 16 sa airport. As expected guys, ang pinunta namin dito ay food trip. So we got stir-fried noodles and this hot wraps. Tingin ng bata. And this shrimp sandwich and onigiri. Hindi pwede mawala. This one, I think, it looks like takoyaki flavor. And sesame seaweeds. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. Oh, kumain ka na. We're just gonna wait for my stir-fried noodles to cook. And we will lafang.
Shawarma. Try this.
Trying stir-fry noodles. Papakiramdam. Oh, mas naging okay na buko.
Ay, papakita ko sa inyo.
Ano ba to?
Ala, di ako maalam.
Fold mo lang.
And, kita ko sa inyo. Sige. Meron silang Google Play, Steam, Nintendo Switch, Xbox.
Finish this now or I will?
My love.
Finish this or I will?
Okay. Wala na.
Meron pa. Where we going?
Wait na.
Is that a vlog takeover?
Yes, meron silang 7-Eleven. Take the step. Yeah.
Guys, we're done eating. Hindi namin naubos. Nagtakaw tingin na naman kami kasi sabi namin susulitin namin. But we still have this sandwich. We will eat this tomorrow morning. And this seaweed, sesame seaweed. So we can have it a snack every time we're hungry.
Diyan. If sasakay kayo ng train, pwede kayo magpunta dyan. Ayan, meron pa isang bukas na shop. Candy shop.
I think you should put it in your hands. Like that one.
Okay.
See? See? Alright, guys.
Video kita. Post ko. Brought to you by Food Panda. Panda.
Food Panda.
Good burger. Try this code if you're here in Hong Kong.
Oy, we're gonna cross the street, ha?
Okay. Ayan. Outfit. Outfit check.
This is not an ideal outfit, guys. It's my pantulog.
Yeah.
Ako, everyone's asleep na ng ganitong oras.
Asan ka?
Ha?
Sa Hong Kong. Ayan yung Holiday Inn. Naririnig niyo na yan.
Nakatapat ba sa akin to?
Yeah.
Pero,
Aray! Ang sakit ng siko ko.
bakit mo mag-video kung saan ka nakatuto?
Bakit sa'yo nga nakatuto?
Sa akin nakatuto ko. Wala.
Sa'yo! Mamaya na lang ulit.
Okay, sige na guys.